One way to reduce your carbon footprint is by driving a hybrid car.
Another way to reduce your carbon footprint is by recycling.
The last way to reduce your carbon footprint is to turn off the lights.